Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display Google search on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. To make it easier for you to find the information you need in Google, and then you can add a Google search widget on the home screen. Okay, you can follow these steps to do. First of all, please long press any screen on your home screen, and then you can select widgets. Well, after that you can scroll down, and then find the Google option. Okay, and then here you can select Google search option. Okay, and then long press and place it on your home screen like this. Okay, and then the Google search on your device has been successfully displayed on the home screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add Google search on home screen on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.